Hello and welcome to Math 251, Calculus 1 here at Cañada College. My name is Lapuz and I'm the instructor for the course. This is an orientation video that would walk you through the Canvas course. What we want to do is we want to explore the course and see what this Canvas site has to offer. Here's our home page. Home page has a banner and some quick links to a lot of the navigation items that you see on the left side here, like the syllabus, announcements, assignments, etc. Right below the quick links are some information about assignments that are going to be coming up. You can click on these assignments to access them quickly, or you can go to the assignments button or the assignments navigation menu item to get to these very same assignments. You can also look to the right here and it has the assignments there as well. Some other pieces of information you'll find below the home page. The announcement page would be where you would find announcements that will be coming to you weekly. There is a setting here where you can receive your announcements in your email. If you have that set, then that's great. If not, keep an eye out for the announcements that will be popping up. The modules layout has the whole class structure for you, with the course information in the beginning, followed by chapter information. As we go along, you will fill in, or I will fill in, more chapter information below, as well as exam informations as they come up. For each of these chapter modules, you will see an introduction, and the introduction will have the sections within the chapter and a video. Following that, you will see the sections, and for each section there will be a video overview, some learning objectives, the link to the textbook in that particular section, some videos provided by the publisher or the authors, some checkpoint problems that you will see in the textbook, videos and PDF handouts of the solutions, a link to your assignment, and some extra pieces of information as they come along. You may or may not have extra information depending on the sections that are there. Beyond that, you will see another link that gets you to the same homework assignment and then off to the next section. So this is our modules layout, and you can browse through the course through the modules. Next is the syllabus page, where you can download a hard copy of the syllabus and keep it on your computer or print it out. But I would suggest that you actually do download and print out the schedule, because the schedule gives us an overview of our course by dates, and you can see the due dates for your assignments. Generally, we will have the journal assignments due on Thursday and the homework assignments due on Friday. Aside from that, we can see some highlights, some more due dates and assignments, and a calendar that you can click on and find out information. There's also a graphic syllabus here that walks through the syllabus from a graphical point of view. The grade distribution, the proctoring requirements, the dates for the exams, and our path through Calculus 1. The assignments link will lead you to a page where you can sort the assignment by the different kinds of assignments we have, or by due dates. these choices on the upper right hand corner would get you to whatever view that you would like and would be most convenient. We have a discussion board where you can start your own discussion among the class, or part of your journal assignments would sometimes require discussion, so you can get to your journal assignments through here as well. And then finally we have our grades, and your grades will be updated periodically, and this will be the grade that we will use eventually towards the end of the class. Alright, I hope that quick overview gets you acquainted with our Canvas site, and I hope you take the initiative to explore and click around and see what this course has to offer. Good luck, and I'll see you online.